What is up? We're here with another episode of trying to get every monster truck a monster truck destruction. We're gonna take maximum override to level 4, starting off with some side by side. We're away. Alright, get that one green. Bounce on that. Two wheel screw there. Rip the corner. Rip around this. Boom. Boom. We're cooking. Did we not cross the line? We like barely. Oh my gosh, he just destroyed me. You know, we still would. Now we're against Barefoot. Ooh. Yeah, we are losing this one. Oh shoot, maybe not. Oh, wait, if he cut the track and won? Bunch of BS, bro. We'll take fourth truck. I forgot to mention, since the last time you've seen me, I've gotten 2 trucks. On the 5th time I tried to record this, so we got 2 new trucks. And they were Bigfoot Bad Boy and Bigfoot Summit. There's a lot of Bigfoots in this game. Alright, time for drag racing. We're away. Wrap the corner. Up and over. Yep, and that's our qualifying time gone. Because the truck did something weird. Hey, look, we faced off the shark truck. Even though we've done this. Alright, we qualified 3rd. Qualifying 3rd to the win. Be pretty peak. Oh, well, we lost. No, we're not trying again. Well, this one's gonna be short. Alright, time for freestyle. Can we get a reverse backflip in? With the... Oh, reverse backflip with the ride truck. Ooh, spin move. Boom, around. Boom. Ooh. Bang. Oh, bicycle. Boom. Cross disc. Normal backflip. Not a backflip. Had some turbo. I don't know why I did. Up and over that. Fling that away. Boom. 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 Oh, we lost the front wheel. Oh, I was gonna try to backflip with one wheel. 2 million! Do we have enough for any trucks? Let's check. Let's check.
You first. Okay, it's disgusting, but isn't the whole point of community policing to... No, not Nolan. The whole point of any kind of policing is to...
Oh, look. We have enough. We're not gonna get any Bigfoot. We're gonna get Carolina Crusher. So I'm thinking about getting one of these truck designs and making my own custom truck. I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I am yet, but I probably will. We're gonna take. Hold up. We're gonna take identity theft and our community levels. Is that one map I had saved? No. We gotta check. Hold up. Is Nissan Stadium? Okay. Well, I was not at any of these Nissan Stadium events. Okay, so let's skedaddle.
It smells like burnt donuts from a plastic oven. It's definitely not. And the fire's still warm. Keep your eyes open.
Okay, let's go can't find any good ones.
Clear.
Go to my favorites again. If you have any ones you'd like me to go to, drop it down in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram. Henry does not crap. I'm gonna wrap this corner like that. Fly. Boom. Fallen butt in the Gillette Stadium. Boom. I might have to start actually paying stuff in this game for like no ads and for the custom trucks because that would be fun to have. Really, I just want to make my own custom trucks. Any of the whole bonus series is to not pay for any of the trucks. No, we lost because I caught the turn dome. Alright, let's try this again. Actually, we're going to Freestyle now. Gillette Stadium. I don't know why this is racing. There's probably a Freestyle version. And we immediately lost. It's a good thing we hadn't started overtime yet. I would have been bad. Oh. Oh, spinning around. Spinny wheel. Boom. Oh. Oh, that was epic. Boom. We have started overtime. No, I want to slap wheelie and miss slap wheelie. I guess a little bit of slap. That's their slap wheelie. We're gonna spin it around. Let's hit the turn barrel that killed me. We're gonna fling off the racing ramp into the center pod. First place. Whoa. New high score. Over third. Look at that thing. The way it had it setting, it made me think I was first. But I wasn't. Well, that's gonna do it for today's episode. In the next episode, we're gonna take playing hooky to level 5. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.